so doing some copy trading here. Low risk. Low risk, higher reward. I'm seeing some things in the comments where people are, whether they blew an account on one trade, just risking the farm. Losing is part of trading. We're not here to teach you guys trading. We're a software company. We make amazing tools for traders, for day traders. But the trader in me is like, let me jump on here and show you guys small risks. Like, it does not bother me whatsoever to get stopped out. Getting stopped out is totally part of the game. It just happens, right? But like, do you get stopped out for $100 loss, or do you get stopped out for $1,000 loss? Like, that's just crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. So look, I'm in 5 micros here. 5 micros. That's it. Risking very little per account. As you can see, I'm going to put my trade copier in the screen. I'll put my trade copier on top of the chart so you can see both, because I can't show you both monitors at once, or you won't be able to see any of this on your iPhone if you're watching YouTube. But I'm trade copying to 5 other accounts. Okay, and hopefully you can see that right now. I'm risking very little per account. I mean, each one of these accounts, I could have like $1,000 end of day drawdown or whatever it is. All right. $100, I could lose 3 trades in a row. And then my 4th trade, boom, takes off and I'm profitable for the day. I'd rather get stopped out quickly, lose a little bit, and then just jump back in and look for that runner. Because I can do that as long as I'm losing small little amounts. Man, I could lose 3 times in a row. That 4th one, boom, and I'm green for the day. So why are we in this trade? Let me walk you through, because we're a software company. We make amazing tools for traders. Amazing tools for traders. We are an approved third-party partner, indicator partner of NinjaTrader. Our indicators also work on TradingView. All right, so why are we in this trade? Let me tell you why we're in this trade, why I'm so dang confident in getting in this trade. By the way, we're only in 5 micros. We're only in 5 micros. All right, so first things first, we got a green background. The bulls are in control. Green background, the bulls are in control. Your Maverick AI Pro is coloring your background. Second thing, you have bright green candles. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data underneath the hood, not price and direction. Okay, so bright green it's telling you that underneath the hood, per our formula, it is very strong upside data. Okay, very strong upside data. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 timeframes. Think of T1 through T5 as traders. They all have a completely different style, and they're all voting across 6 timeframes. You can change these timeframes to whatever you want, but instead of having a bunch of charts all over your laptop and you're traveling or whatever, why not have the Maverick Multi-X in a nice, neat little package up here, looking at 6 timeframes? And 5 traders, their algorithms, so 5 traders that all have a completely different style, all looking at those time frames and voting every single tick. Are they bullish or are they bearish? And right now you have 5 traders who are all bullish across 6 time frames. Maverick trenders pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top, it's showing massive strength and momentum to the upside. And by the way, these zones you're seeing up here, this is the Maverick Zones indicator coming out in about 2 weeks. I'll put the link below to sign up for to get notified when we release that. Any lifetime member of any bundle of ours, whether it's the Lifetime AI Pro bundle or the Ultimate Edge bundle, you're going to get this thing early access and in a crazy discount. It auto draws your support and resistance levels, gives you a score. It's unbelievable. So let me move up my stop loss. See, tiny losses. See, now I'm okay if I take like a $25 loss. I don't care. $25 loss, I could lose 10 times in a row and still have a profitable day. Facts, right? All right, so and here's the big thing I want to point out on this chart and why we're in this trade. The Maverick Radar, the ultimate trading assistant, is giving us an A+ setup to the upside. What the Maverick Radar is doing and why we call it the ultimate trading assistant is it's going through our entire checklist of everything we look for to take an A+ setup. And it's going through each one of our indicators, plus this really cool formula we built into it to keep you guys on the right side of the tracks. Pretty complex formula, but we wanted to build that into the radar. And it's serving up if you have no setup, if you have a B setup, because you want to know when a setup's about to happen, and then an A+ setup. And right now, folks, we have an A+ setup to the upside, okay, which gives me that confidence when I see bright green candles, when we have a green background, when all 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames, and we have an A+ setup to the upside. Woo, let's go. Even though it's 8 a.m. in the morning, market's not even open. But this is tiny risk, larger reward, right? I'm risking very little on this trade. If it comes back down and I get stopped out because I'm looking to make at least, probably $100 per, keep this in perspective. If we were trading minis, we'd be making $1,000, but I'm looking to just make $100 because we're in micros. These are only paying $1.25 per tick. So if you ever get anxious, if you ever get anxiety, if you ever hit that buy button or that sell button and you're like, oh my God, and your heart starts pounding and stuff, you might want to look at micros. Not financial advice, do your own research. I'm not here to do that. We're a software company that makes amazing tools for traders, but you might want to look at micros because $1.25 a tick, even if the thing went 50 ticks against you, that's $50. I mean, that's some folks are blowing 150K accounts, $100,000 accounts, even $50,000 accounts on one trade. It's like, how did you do that? What did you risk? Oh my gosh. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay. So look, if I can close this thing out for $100, guess what? $100 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other accounts is what? That's $600. And I just had to risk, very little. About $100 per account is what I started. Then I moved it up. Now I'm probably risking about $25 per account, if that. And I'm not in danger of blowing any account. I mean, on a 50K account with a lot of end of day drawdown accounts, you can lose, $1,000 a day. Now, you can't do that multiple days in a row. But my point is you're not going to blow that account by losing $25 per account. But then you compound it with a trade copier like this, and give your heart a rest, less anxiety. Who cares about it? There's my $100. Boom. There's my $100. Okay. Tiny risk. No accounts are in danger. Prop accounts, no prop accounts are in danger. And here we are. Okay. So listen, if you want edge, I just wanted to kind of help you guys out with that because I'm seeing it in the comments. If you want edge in the market, if you want clear vision on your charts, this is clear vision, knowing when you have an A+ setup, seeing the bright green candles. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. Come check us out. If you're looking for some edge, not financial advice, do your own research. Never any guarantees in any market, but come check us out. We would love to help you crush it. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.